Transfer money with Santander, you need to log into your Santander app or online banking. So for that, you need to go ahead and select transfers or payments and choose the account to send from. You need to enter the recipient's details, including IBAN or account number and name. Specify the amount and confirm the transaction. And for internal transfers between your own Santander accounts, the process involves selecting from and to accounts, entering the amount and confirming. And to someone else, like external transfer, you need to log in to the app or online banking and then go to transfers or payments and choose the account you want to send money from. Enter the recipient's information, their IBAN or account number, their name, and the BIC code. If it is an international transfer, you need to enter the amount and confirm the transfer. To your own account, like internal transfer, you can select the account you want to transfer money from and the account you want to transfer money to. Enter the amount and confirm. And also double check the recipient's information before sending. The app is the easiest way to transfer money, so use Zelle for transfers within the US. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.